Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, introduce my name is Tia Ari Ramadan, usually called Ari. I was born in the 13th of December, 12th month 2002. I come from the city of Brebes. I was in high school when I first went to Bali in the years 2019. At that time I was in the 11th grade. I went there with my teacher and friends. I really liked my experience when I was on vacation in Bali. Maybe it was an experience it was an experience what I really likes in because I can see the beauty of the island of Bali directly and can also visit several tourist attractions on the island of Bali such as Pandawa Beach, which is famous for its beautiful beach and also very wet sand beach, Nusa Penida Beach, Tanjung Benoa Beach, which is very beautiful, famous for its marine tourist activities. Tanah Lot Beach, which is famous for its temples on boulders, and finally visiting Bedugul, which is famous for its beautiful lake. There was an incident where when we were about to leave Bedugul, someone told us that one of our friends was missing in Bedugul. Finally there we looked for information on his whereabouts. After a long wait, our friend was finally found. According to his confession, he accidentally stepped on an offering that was in Bedugul and was then taken by someone else. I was know later that he was unconscious. After realizing he was shocked because his legs were bleeding. According to him, he was running around the mountain in Bedugul. Of course, I don't agree with what my friend did by stepping on the offerings that were there, even if was not on purpose, because after all, every time you visit a new place, you must always be careful. In my opinion, tourists must always be careful and also always keep every word that comes out of our mouth, and also have to maintain good manners when visiting new place, especially where there are many offerings, because according to Balinese people, when someone step on or overstep the offering, then that person will be unlucky, like what happened to one of our friends. Every time I visit tourist attraction, there are many trades over there for tourists to buy. When there are likes, there are definitely dislikes. Dislike when in Bali, which is not being able to stay long in tourist spots because of time constraints, and also the food, in my personal opinion, has no taste and also has distinctive smell which does not suit my tongue. I hope that I hope then one day I can visit the island of Bali again, especially visiting tourist attraction that I have visited before, because so that I can remember the best when I first visited Bali. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.